Are you dreaming of a new car, but putting it off because you think you're saving money? Hold on. Delaying that purchase might cost you more than you realize. Time isn't on your side. Inflation is on the rise, meaning the car you want will cost more tomorrow than it does today. Plus, your current car is racking up repair bills, draining your hard-earned cash. And what about those missed opportunities? A new job opportunity you couldn't reach, a weekend adventure cancelled due to car trouble. The cost of waiting goes beyond money. Don't get stuck in reverse. Get behind the wheel of your dream car and unlock new possibilities. Explore finance options, compare used versus new, and discover the true cost of waiting in our insightful blog. Visit findthatfinance.com.au today. Don't delay, accelerate your journey to a new car,